Hi there. Are you looking for unified portal for IT operations? Do you want to get rid of skill dependencies? Want to enable your team on the fly and reduce MTTR? Then you are at right place. Cognizant launches Agentic AI solution to assist you. It has capability to integrate with your ServiceNow instance. An IT engineer is currently logging into this portal using ServiceNow credentials. As soon as he or she logs in, 3 assistants become available in your service: ITSM Assist, Knowledge Assist and Tech Assist. Let's understand one by one. As an IT engineer, the first and foremost thing is to view the tickets assigned to him or her. That's how the administrators start their day. And that's why what you see in this portal is something called as My Queue, which lists out all the tickets assigned to a particular engineer. Well, engineer can also view the tickets assigned to his or her team as well as unassigned tickets. The engineer has picked one of the unassigned tickets. Let's scroll down and check the details of the ticket. You can see the entire metadata like priority, state, assignment group, assigned to, short description, etc. Engineer assigns the ticket to himself or herself from this page without navigating to ServiceNow portal. As soon as the ticket is assigned, the engineer proceeds to analyze it. You can view that the field assigned to gets updated. Clicking on the Analyze button so that the information of the ticket can be taken to Large Language Model, that is LLM, at the back end. Further, LLM figures out relevant knowledge articles, summarizes the content and contextualizes it. Diagnostic and resolution steps suggested are listed down on this Knowledge Assist. For example, in this scenario, the short description of the ticket mentions an issue specific to processing of the tickets in Xenos console getting delayed due to queue issue. Here, you find the KB article that elaborates the steps to diagnose and fix the same issue. Now you got a glimpse of ITSM and Knowledge Assist, let's see what Tech Assist does. You can instruct the Tech Assist in a layman language to perform actions on end machines to diagnose and resolve issues. Here, the engineer types an instruction to list out all the queues along with count of messages per queue. Let's grant some time to LLM in order to respond. Let us validate from the RabbitMQ console if the queue count is correct. From this list, we select the queue having highest count and then purge it. Now, let's check the queue count again and verify from the console. You can see that the count of the queue is reduced to 0. You might be thinking, how is it different from typical automation? Well, here we are offering just the foundational models which we call as agents or bots. Whenever an IT engineer instructs a machine step by step, indirectly he or she is building a workflow. Also, that doesn't require special skills. If the same workflow must be built by an automation SME, it takes at least a week effort to go through entire software development lifecycle. There is another difference in the typical automation and this Gen AI suite. Whichever steps are performed by IT engineer are listed automatically by Gen AI LLM as worknotes or comments. This saves a lot of time required for documentation as well as maintaining service quality standards for tickets. As you click on the Resolve button, the resolution notes consisting of issue summary, cause as well as resolution steps are auto-generated. Let us verify in ServiceNow as well. Additional comments, work notes and resolution notes are visible. Let's take a quick look at another scenario. Not necessary that every time it finds out the knowledge articles. In such scenarios, the steps are listed based on pre-trained data that each LLM carries by default. Engineer can test the steps and if found appropriate, This accelerator provides option to convert the content into a KB article. That article gets saved as a draft in ServiceNow. Post-approval, it can be published. Here is the example for the same. Windows user is frustrated due to screen getting locked frequently when idle. That user wants to increase the idle interval to lock the screen. Let's see what Resolution Knowledge Assist offers. It can be observed that in absence of any existing knowledge articles in repository, Knowledge Assist suggested a solution based on pre-trained data. Let us check the existing idle interval. Let us validate from the console and increase, and an IT engineer will increase it to 10 minutes. It's done. Let's validate from the portal. And recheck if the configurations are applied. This way, you can do the configuration changes on end machines. Similar to previous incident, work notes, additional comments and resolution notes are generated on its own. Now, converting the entire discussion to KB article. This article draft created in ServiceNow considers steps executed by IT engineer. It can be modified as required and published. That's set. These are the exciting features that Cognizant brings to the table through this platform. The platform supports and encourages integration of change policies so that any activity performed in a tech assist demands for appropriate change number to perform critical activities. It does have capability to raise a change as well. I hope you enjoyed the demo. Thanks for watching.